little difficult to even get his attention. But some people who know the secrets have told us one surefire way. Are you ready to hear?
Yes.
That sounded like no. A little louder. Ready? Oh Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Radhe to chale aaye.